Alam niyo ba guys, may date ako mamaya. Pero ngayon, ang dugyot kong tingnan. Gusto ko lang naman maging okay.
Hello everybody! In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my how to look cute look para mapansin ni crush. Starting with my 2-minute makeup, aka yung makeup na parang gusto ko lang mag-ayos ng sarili to make myself feel better. Kasi dinatnan ako ngayon at feeling ko walang kaganda-ganda sa mundo at may date pa tayo ngayon. So, paano? Paano? So, are you ready? Let's start! First, I have this Rose Water Glow Mist from Lux Organics. I usually spray this all over my face kasi ang dry lang na mukha ko and I like that dewy look. Next, this Wax Up Brow from Francesnista. I like to groom my eyebrows with this wax soap to make it more full. Parang ako naman ang nasasaktan sa kilay ko nito Then, I'd like to make it more thick by using this super used eyebrow kit. Yung sa lahat ng videos ko, ito yung gamit ko na pangkilay dahil sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. At isa pa, kaya sobrang gustong-gusto ko to kasi sobrang tagal niya maubos, as in parang feeling ko, sobrang tagal niya maubos, feeling ko kapag lola na ako, gamit ko pa rin to. At syempre, kailangan natin maglagay ng blush. And this is angel scent, I swear. Lately, I really like cream blushes dahil sobrang nagme-melt lang sila sa cheeks. Kapag nilalagay ko to, as in sobrang effortless lang niya ilagay, yung parang dab-dab lang and ayun na siya. Sobrang mura pa nito guys, pero feeling ko face out na siya. At dahil wala akong pilik mata katulad ng mga lalaki dyan na wala naman silang mga pakialam sa mga eyelashes nilang sobrang hahaba, kailangan ko tong gawin. At isa lang naman ang ginagawa ko para magmukha siyang natural tingnan. At yun ay ilagay ang mascara sa gitnang bahagi ng aking pilik mata. And last, lip and cheek tint from Happy Skin. Diyos ko naman, sana magmukha naman akong Catherine Bernardo. At ang kadate ko, syempre si Daniel Padilla. Diyos ko. We're almost there, but I'd like to top it with a much more darker shade. And I'm using this Ever Belena Lip and Cheek Roller Tint in the shade Uptown Red. Tada! So, ayan, tapos na tayo mag-makeup. So, we move on with the second step, which is, wag natin kalimutan ang ating buhok. And I'd like to show you my last-minute go-to hairstyles. Pero bago ang lahat, kailangan ko munang i-straight ang aking buhok dahil hindi ko alam bakit ang dry-dry niya na. So, I need your help guys. If you have some hair care tips, just comment down below. First hairstyle, you can use your hair clips to secure your hair. Mas lalong gumaganda ang babae kapag nakikita ang muka. Next is a half-do hairstyle. If you're feeling a little extra, you can use a cute scrunchie to finish this look. Me, I like it a little messy by pulling some of my hairs to make it more undone. You see? There you go! Now, you can also do this hairstyle. Pero ano nga bang tawag sa hairstyle na to? Let's just call it, ipunin mo lahat ng buhok mo dahil mukha na tayong bruha. And again, I like it loose and messy dahil kapag inayos ko pa to, magbumukha na akong itlog na magbabali. Gets nyo? And lastly, you can use your twirlies or headbands to do this hairstyle. Tingnan na lang natin kung hindi pa kayo habulin ng mga crushes nyo dyan. Remember, dear, women don't chase men. Third step, choose an easy and comfy outfit on your date. Kung saan ka komportable, dun ka. Yung outfit na parang decent but chill lang.
So, to complete our look, syempre kailangan din natin magsuot ng jewelry. So, yung gagamitin ko ngayon is earrings. And eto guys, binili ko to sa Shopee. So, sobrang gaganda niya sa personal. And ililink ko down below yung shop name kung saan ko to binili. And mura din siya guys. In.
You can use pearl earrings to make it more classy or studded ones and danglings on a casual date. And that's it! You're ready to go! Just remember, be yourself and do not ever pretend just to impress someone. If he doesn't like you, then don't. Sabi nga niyan, ang daming isda sa asul na dagat.
So, that's it for today's video guys. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. Happy New Year! Bye!